Litecoin, a cryptocurrency worth investing in? So you'd like to make money from Litecoin? Here's what you need to know. What is Litecoin? It's the offspring of digital currency Bitcoin. Like its parent, it uses blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger. Unlike Bitcoin, Litecoin allows peer-to-peer payments that are instant and very low cost. In terms of market capitalization, it's the 5th biggest cryptocurrency. A fork in Bitcoin. Litecoin was invented in 2011 by ex-Google software engineer Charlie Lee as an offshoot or fork in the Bitcoin ledger. He wanted it to complement rather than compete with Bitcoin. To be silver to Bitcoin's gold. It would be a faster version of its parent and easier to obtain and trade. How it works. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is open source and without a central authority. The currency is mined by independent individuals and companies using complex mathematical codes. Miners are paid for their work in Litecoin. Why it's different? Litecoin is based on a different protocol to Bitcoin's. This reduces block confirmation times from 10 minutes to 2.5 minutes and allows a higher volume of transactions to be achieved. Transaction fees are minimal compared to Bitcoin's, a big plus for merchants. Also, whereas there can only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, 4 times as many Litecoins can be mined. You can buy Litecoin with your credit card and pounds, dollars, etc. through online exchanges and store it in an electronic wallet on your computer or mobile device, then use it to make payments or keep as an investment. A good investment? Litecoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to invest in. Some pundits reckon it could eventually overtake Bitcoin in value. With its practical advantages versus its parent, Litecoin could become more widely adopted. What could spoil this? The SegWit protocol that led to Litecoin is now incorporated in Bitcoin and could help the latter overcome its scaling issues. If that happens, Litecoin could lose its advantages. In the meantime, the asset has been performing like an acrobat. During 2017, Litecoin's price shot up by more than 8,000% to over $360 by the 18th of December. Pretty soon, its price did plummet, but then almost doubled in price in just under 2 weeks. So do you fancy a piece of Litecoin's action? You could invest in the asset directly, but that carries the risk of theft by hackers. Also, market conditions could stop you from selling it when you want to. So you may like to consider another way to profit from it, called contract for difference or CFD trading. Litecoin CFDs. These are a type of derivative, a contract between you and a broker, me say. CFDs derive their value from the underlying asset, Litecoin for example. One of us agrees to pay the other the difference between the value of Litecoin at the start of the contract and its value at the end. CFDs are a convenient way to trade Litecoin without you having to buy the asset. They also give you leverage. You only pay a certain percentage, the margin of the cost, and borrow the remainder of the money from your broker. Then you can leverage the borrowed money to magnify your small cash investment into a much larger market position. Investors use leverage to try to get bigger returns. CFDs enable you to gain even when the price of Litecoin falls. A warning though, if you miscalculate and the price doesn't change the way you expected it to, you may suffer losses. By the way, CFDs also have a tax advantage if you're in the UK. There's no stamp duty to pay. Why trade Litecoin CFDs with Capital.com? Our app helps you make informed decisions about trading using AI to find out your biases and provide you with videos, articles, and news to polish your investment strategy. Its negative balance protection stops you from losing more than you've deposited in your account. To find out more or register, fund your account and start trading Litecoin, visit Capital.com now.